Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair video, as you could tell by the title. So today I'm going to be using the insert name here, extra large curls here curling iron. Insert name here was kind enough to send me this curling wand to try out for you guys and let you guys know what I think of it. So I think we're gonna just create some really nice curls today. This is just my natural hair right now. So I'll share more details with you guys about this product, so let's get started. So I have used a bunch of other products from insert name here, so I'll link those videos down below, but those have always been like extensions and stuff that I've tried out. So this is like a very different product to be trying out from here. So this is the insert name here long oval hair wand. It's a 1.5 inch barrel and it's an 8-inch long actual barrel here, so it's really good, especially if you have long hair like me. There are instructions on the inside, and it also comes with this cute little pink heat resistant glove. I've had my curling wand heating up so that it would be ready for the video, but this is what it looks like. It's pink and it's adorable. It matches my shirt. And then you have the power button and then the different temperatures. So to change the temperature on this, you just press the power button to whatever heat setting you want. So it goes from 370 all the way up to 450. And so what kind of happens is the light flashes going up and down the temperatures until it actually reaches that heat setting that you want your curling wand to be set on. I usually set my temperature on my curling wand on like 380 or so. But the temperature, so it has like this little note that recommends the temperature. So it says for fine hair, you want to use 370 to 390. For medium to thick hair, you want to do 390 to 410. And then for like really thick hair, you want to do 410 to 430. Yeah, so I think I'm going to set mine up to 390. So I'm just going to press this button again because right now it's set at 370. It will actually be at 390. And you guys can see, I don't know if it'll pick up, but like the light is flashing up and down, so it'll kind of do that until it actually reaches 390 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is section off my hair. You should use heat protectant, but I don't have any right now, so we're just going with it. But definitely use it if you have it. But I'm gonna probably do 3 sections maybe of this. So I'll section the bottom first and just kind of clip up the rest. So I'm just starting with the bottom for now. It doesn't have to be super perfect. So now I have all my hair. Most of it's sectioned up right now and then just clipped off. And then I have this thinner, smaller layer on the bottom that we're going to work with first. I'm interested to try this out because I've never tried a curling wand that's like oval shaped. You guys can see from like the top angle, it's definitely like an oval, whereas normally I use like a actual barrel curling wand. I'm interested to see how this kind of shape of a wand affects the shape of your curls and how well they hold and stuff like that. The like nice thing about this curling wand is that it's supposed to be less heat damage because of the way that the heat is distributed throughout the barrel of the wand. And I do have to say it is actually very lightweight. It says it on the box and it's supposed to be lightweight, but it actually really is. It's not a very heavy wand. And it's also supposed to shut off on its own after 60 minutes. So you know when you like worry if you actually turned your curling wand off. This one's actually supposed to turn off after an hour anyway. So that's kind of nice. So I am just going to start closer to my neck. I'm just going to grab like a 1-inch section of hair. Especially at the bottom layers, I feel like it never has to be super perfect. And I am just going to wrap this piece of hair around the barrel and hold it. I'm kind of wrapping it back up towards my neck and hold it for a few seconds and then let it down. This is what the curl looks like. It's definitely like a loose wave because of the shape of the wand. And I'm just going to repeat that all along the bottom section of my hair. After I do a curl and kind of take it off of the wand, I like to hold it for a second or two just to kind of help it keep its shape. You guys can see the curls. I really like them. It's gonna give us like a really nice like beachy wavy look because they're just pretty large curls. And once I get closer to my face, I always curl away from my face and let it down. Look how nice that is. So now the first layer is done. I really like the way that these look. It just is like a very loose wave. Normally my curling wand that I use most often is like a 1-inch barrel. So this barrel gives me like a looser wavy look. I'm just gonna use a little bit of spray just to hold these in place. And then I'm going to push these back and let my hair down. So I just pushed the rest of my pieces that I just curled to the back, and now I'm going to pull all the rest to the front and pull up my shorter pieces that typically will like frame my face and just clip those up, and then kind of just curl this second layer at the back again. I always feel like holding the curl after kind of letting it go with the wand is super important. It allows the curl to kind of cool and keep its shape rather than just dropping it, because when it drops then it kind of will cool a little bit straighter. I'm just gonna spray that. And then finally just dropping the top pieces. And I just kind of pulled the bottom pieces back, and I'm just going to curl the top. And to kind of get more volume, like you guys could see, I wrapped it around, but then I kind of turned the wand itself upwards towards my roots, just so that we get more volume. And then I'm saving this front piece to do till last. And then once I just have the front two pieces, I'm just going to curl those away from my face. So then I just shake all the curls out a little bit to kind of blend them together, and then kind of just like look at your hair and touch up any pieces that you might need to touch up. Sometimes it shouldn't because we sprayed them, but sometimes these pieces on the bottom layer can kind of start to get straight for me, but actually I think that these held up pretty well. Then I'm going to spray all of this in place, and these are the finished curls. I'm gonna try to like show you guys the back so you can get like a better look. This is what it looks like. I really like the way that they turned out. They're definitely like really big bouncy curls. I feel like I was able to curl my hair a little bit quicker than normal because I was able to use bigger sections of hair. But I feel like if you have maybe shorter hair, this size of a curling wand might not be necessary. You could still use it, but I feel like you wouldn't have to wrap so much around, so like you might be better off with a smaller barrel. But if you have longer hair or like medium to longer length hair, this is definitely a really, really great product for you. The 8-inch long barrel really just gives you a lot more space to curl your hair. So overall, I really, really loved this curling wand, and I'm gonna be using it a lot because I think it's better than the one that I normally use. Her name here was actually kind enough to also give me a coupon to share with you guys, so you guys can use code VC15 for 15% off their entire site. So if you wanted to also check out some of their extensions or other hair tools that they have, you guys can go do that. I'll link their site down below, and I'll also, like I said earlier, link the videos that I have used reviewing their extensions so that you guys can check those out as well. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Thank you again to Insert Name Here for sending me this product to share with you guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.